Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub in 2024, step by step. If you've ever wanted to streamline your project management and development workflow, getting all your GitHub issues and commits visible right from ClickUp, this guide is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the two platforms connected and talking to each other, saving you time and boosting your team's productivity. So let's dive right in and get everything set up. First off, head over to your ClickUp workspace. This is your central hub for tasks, docs, and projects, so make sure you're on the main dashboard. If you're new to ClickUp, just remember, your workspace is like the headquarters. Wherever you organize and manage all your work, that's where you want to be for integrations. Once you're in your workspace, look toward the side or top bar for an option called More. Now, it's easy to overlook this menu because ClickUp packs a lot into the interface, but More is often where extra features and integrations are tucked away. Give it a click. From the expanded menu, select Apps. You're looking for the section where ClickUp lets you enhance functionality by connecting with other tools. Inside Apps, you're going to scan the integrations list for GitHub. Sometimes the list can be pretty long, so don't be afraid to use the search bar right in the Apps menu. Just type GitHub, and it should pop up in the results. Spotting GitHub here is your sign that ClickUp supports native integration, no need for complicated third-party tools. Click on the GitHub option. This is where the real magic starts. You'll see an overview of what the integration can do, maybe some details about syncing issues or pull requests. Right here, you should see a Connect button. Go ahead and click that. You're starting the process of linking the two accounts, which is essential for getting your code and project management updates in one place. Next up, you'll need to sign into your GitHub account to continue. ClickUp needs your permission to access your repositories so it can pull in updates. If you're already logged in, this might happen instantly. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to enter your GitHub credentials. This is a totally normal security step. Your data stays private, and you can choose exactly which repos ClickUp can see. Don't worry if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll just follow the usual GitHub login steps. After signing in, you'll need to confirm or authorize the connection between ClickUp and GitHub. Sometimes there's an extra authorize button. Make sure to give it a click. You might be asked to select specific repositories that ClickUp will sync with. Take a moment here and pick the ones you regularly use for work or team projects. This lets ClickUp bring in the relevant issues or commits without cluttering up your workspace. Finish up the process by following any last on-screen prompts. ClickUp will usually let you know when the connection is successful, and that's it. Your ClickUp workspace is now integrated with GitHub. From now on, you can track code updates, pull requests, and issues directly within ClickUp, making collaboration between project managers and developers much smoother. If any part feels a bit slow or you have trouble finding the right menus, don't sweat it. Sometimes interfaces change or permissions get tricky. Just take your time and try refreshing or double-checking your login steps. And there you go, you've just connected two powerful tools. If this video helped, be sure to hit that like button, drop any questions or issues below in the comments, and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your integrated workflows.